Here's an example of the home page, followed by the lawn care, which is my secondary page, my second content, my first content page. The About provides information about why we started it and how it became what it is today. The Contact page gathers information from the potential client, including a date and also the services. Of course, we have our practice link, and then the styling guide, which specifies, our target audience, the design layout, why we chose the font. I chose fonts that were easy to read because, some of the services that we offer are for the older generation, and therefore they need something, that's very easy to read. And so by making and using the lighter background and a darker font, it really brings out and enables them to be able to visually see the information. I also tried to keep the design simple and reflect earth tones, browns, greens. One of the things that I found most difficult was just simply the design. It really made me appreciate how when we listen to our customers or your potential clients, that you really need to listen to what they want and to create the focal point of the website. But I did appreciate the fact that once that we were able to come up with the design, that everything we learned, we really got to implement and use HTML and CSS to code it. Some of the things that were really fun to use was the grid in the flex box, being able to style for different viewports, and also the ability to use Photoshop to decrease the size of the file so that the load time and everything helped to make it faster so that we weren't really waiting or there wasn't much lag. Thank you for sharing, and I look forward to hearing your comments.